So this is a wrap to tonight's snow activity. I did come out here and shovel, but this is some thick snow. Like, I'll show you. It is thick snow. Here, I'm gonna go right about here. See, and it's still snowing. I don't know. It's supposed to stop snowing right now, but it keeps snowing off and on. But this is today's snow activities. It should be done with before the end of today. But yeah, I had to make a little trail. But I can come back up here and stand right here. I had this completely shoveled. Like, see, it's been shoveled. See, I can easily move it. But this is a wrap of today's activity. So, yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys something. There's the snow that built up around the house. See, it started to come up to the window. Don't ask me why. This blizzard, I swear, they said it was a blizzard, caused a lot of snow around my house and on the window. But that's gonna be a wrap for today's video of this. But yeah, thank you for watching.